Here's something you didn't expect me unboxing. This right here is an AirTag. What this will let you do is track your items. So is it any good? Let's find out. Let's start with the unboxing. Now, something interesting I've noticed about the packaging here. If we go here onto the bottom, you can actually see on the bottom that it was produced in 2020. So the rumors about them producing it and just it sitting in a warehouse, those were true. Anyways, without further ado, since I know you don't watch the whole video anyways. Alright, so starting off with the pull tab here, just pull the pull tab. Don't want to break the box because the box is actually pretty nice. There we go. Really rugged plastic, just as AirTag. Okay, so now if you open it up here, you can see the AirTag itself. And wow, this thing is about the size of a bottle cap. Of course, you can see updates to the latest version of iOS, iPadOS. Notice how they don't specify which version, because these have been ready for over a year. We have the AirTag, and last things last, it tells you to have it within 2 inches, 5 centimeters, and it'll automatically pair with your Apple device. So let's pair it with our Apple device here. Pulling the AirTag out of its packaging here. Wow, this looks amazing. Incredible. It says Apple Incorporated, 1 Apple Park, Cupertino, CA. Has their address on it. That's cool, and there's like a circle. I like that attention to detail. Really cool. But I know why you're here. Let's peel the plastic. And now, as soon as I pull this out, it should give a beeping noise to tell me that it's ready to be used. Ooh, that sound. I can already tell this is gonna get scratched as wow. Just looking at this thing in my hands, look at the detail on that thing is actually unreal. Wow, like this actually is about the size of a bottle cap. This is hard plastic and it's stainless steel as well, similar to an iPhone that is stainless steel. This should pop up, and there we go, AirTag. So we're gonna click connect. Now I'm connecting it to my keys because I'm ordering the Belkin things separately. It gives me my email address, phone number, just associating me with the AirTag so someone can scan it if they find it. It's setting up my AirTag now. I love the attention to detail of this, you know, just little things, really cool. Tells us that I can get directions. Now this is really interesting. So you can play a sound here on the device itself. Okay, we can enable lost mode, which is right here. So it'll notify you when found, it'll lock the item to that, and it'll leave a message. You can remove the item from your Find My app through this little interface, so it's not permanently stuck here. Alright, so I've been using AirTags for a while now. I have some thoughts. Firstly, the AirTag, it's very compact. I love the size. Compared to an iPhone, it's very much like, no question, this suits the iPhone very, very well. Like, I have no complaints here. They Find My app, very intuitive, easy to use. I think most people would just be able to pick it up and use it, no problem. And I know pretty much anyone I've handed this to has been able to do that. Usability, I still remain with the fact that it should have had a way to connect it to something by default, like a keychain, like most smart trackers do. However, I understand the appeal now of it just coming like this after using it in person. I still remain that it should have had that, but it's not as bad as I thought. Like, I can chuck this in a rucksack or whatever in a concealed pocket, and in a lot of ways that's better because of the fact that people can't see it, so they can't snatch it off. Whereas if you're going to put on a set of keys, yeah, you're going to want it. I know I'm personally going to be picking up the Belkin accessory. I didn't for this, but I know I definitely will be now. How easy it was to set up. Just open the box, take off the wrapping, and then just put it beside my iPhone. Literally, that's all it was. The W1 pairing, no problem. If you have a U1 chip enabled iPhone, you can go and do the directions to find your item. That's been really cool to try out. And just in general, I think this is a really cool piece of tech, and it's a great gift idea. Like, never before have you been able to go into an Apple store, get a proper product for 35 bucks. This is insanely good value, and I think it's pretty cool. Now, the back is stainless steel, and I know that will scratch over time. However, it looks cool for now, and even fingerprints, they only show up in certain light, and over time you won't notice them. I think this is a great little buy. First impressions wise, of course, I'll have to see my full review. Let me know if you want to see that in the comment section below. Obviously, this product is not for everyone. It's for someone who's in the ecosystem. And that's pretty much all there is to say about the AirTags. I am really, really happy with the purchase. I think most people who get AirTags will enjoy the purchase. And I hope you enjoyed this video. If you liked it, like button, subscribe, comment down below, or join Discord. My name is Connor. I'll catch you next one. Goodbye.